here I am back again, adding some more content to the channel that I said that I would begin to grow. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use a face mask that I find very relaxing, and it like makes my skin feel really good, kind of balances the pH if I understand what it's supposed to do. And what that is this Health and Beauty Aztec Secret. It's this amazing product. I get it off Amazon. It's like $8.99, I want to say. I'll put a link in my description. And so I put that together with a couple other products. One of them being the Neutrogena Hydroboost. It's the Hydroboost Hydrating Serum. I love this stuff. I swear by it. It makes my skin feel amazing. I use it a lot. This is my second bottle in like the last month and a half. And then I also have it's made by Youth. Also, I showed a product by this company in my last video. I'll go more into depth about this company when I get a few more things, because I want to kind of do it line by line. But this one is just pure hyaluronic acid. So I add this to the mixture. I also add the apple cider vinegar. I use the organic, it's from Costco. And basically it mixes up like a paste, very much like this. I already mixed this one up to save some time, and I will put this on my face. I find it's best to go around, around the eyes and not on them. That's kind of a key point. And what I do when I use this is I use this to, I don't know, if I feel like my skin's like kind of oily, or if I feel like I might be getting a breakout, I do this. It's a little bit, it's chelating, I guess you'd call it. It kind of like takes toxins out of your skin, and I just find that it works really amazing. I'm gonna use the mirror here for a minute. And I just kind of smear it on pretty quick. I use this brush that I got. I got this brush with some Chinese face mask that I was trying out, and it just works really well. It helps to mix it with. And I just put it on everything. And then what I do is I leave it on for about 10 minutes. And while that's on, I usually just kind of chill and hang out. Let me see how much coverage I've got here. All right, I think I'm doing all right. Sometimes I'll bring it down further on my neck, down here, kind of into my beard. And then what I do is leave this on for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, there will be areas that will begin to dry from the air, and you'll be able to tell because it'll be kind of like a lighter color than what it is now. But I don't like to let it dry all the way because it gets really crispy and really tight and actually becomes kind of painful, I find. I find you also want to wash this off in the shower. It's very hard to get off, but once you get it off, your face feels amazing. I'm going to let this do its timing and let this kind of work its magic on this roadmap of craziness. And so then then I will come back once I've rinsed it off. I might check back while it's drying. I'm not positive. We'll see. So see you in a few minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. As you can see, it's patchy in certain places and not in others. Certain places I applied it more thick than others. Some places are thinner. I find, again, it's good for oily skin, and so it sort of dries the oily patches and moisturizes the non-oily patches. I don't know how to really describe it. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off, let you see how it looks after, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm finished washing the clay off my face. It feels amazing. It doesn't tighten the skin, it softens it, but it gets rid of the oiliness and basically clears up any kind of potential breakup that I start to have, and that's just my experience with it. I've been using it for about a year, off and on, pretty consistently in the last few months, about maybe once a week, and I really like the way that it's made my skin feel. And it goes well with my other moisturizing and retin-A and retinoid treatments that I do. The retinoid treatment's something that I'm going to get into in future videos. My moisturizing treatment is something that I did in my last video. Hopefully you saw it and you liked it and gave it a thumbs up. Down here somewhere, I think. So if you have seen that video, great. If not, watch it. And please subscribe to my channel. Also, it will show you what I'm going to do next, which I'm not going to film because I've already made a video about it. So tonight, that's it for me. Thank you for joining in. And again, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think. Give me comments. Please be constructive. Don't be horrible and mean. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.